Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Actually, I'm starting my day today from with a cup of coffee. Luckily, it's been it is a nice sunny day today. So that is a really sort of, I'm looking forward to it. But today is my day off. So what I have decided to do, I've decided to make a smoothie for myself because I had so many fruits sitting in the freezer. So I've put some strawberries, some blackberries, which I've picked other day from the woods, and some chia seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, yogurt, and a bit of milk. And that's it really. So that's how I started my day, because it was my day off, so I had a little bit of more time as compared to my usual days. And once I will have my smoothie, I have planned to make a vegetable pie, because what happens when I usually ended up having lots of vegetables, I just make something like that, like shepherd's pie, or maybe a macaroni salad, or like I'm making today. I was I was fancy having a pie though, because after having something like that, because something like pie, you have to have it in the daytime, like lunchtime, or Sunday, in fact, because you have sort of more time. You can go out for a walk, you can burn it, or you can just eat it earlier, because it's not something which I really would like to have it late in the evening. So after that, what I've done, I've just what I've done here, actually, I've taken a shop bought short crust pastry, which I've blind baked for 10-15 minutes, and just filled it with my my filling, which I've made with all my leftover vegetables. And you just make a like sort of a white sauce, but without any milk. So you just make it with stock, and you can add chicken into it, you can add corn into it, you can do lots of things. You can add on lots of things, even cheese. And then you just cover it with another layer of puff pastry on the top, just crimp it from the sides, and just bake it. And that's it really. And then it comes out really, really nice and crunchy and fluffy and everything. 45-minute drive from where I live. And I used to go there years ago. Not quite a lot, but in summer especially, because they got this beautiful lake there, and they got this nice restaurant there. But it was sort of very cowboyish, and I was a very fancy going there anyway. It didn't look too busy, which is again strange because that's how things are nowadays. You don't see many people around. I just don't understand why. But maybe because it's just it's difficult for people to sort of it's just probably because of the cost of living, or that must be, because weather wasn't that bad to be honest. It was pretty good. And in any case, so I just walked around there, went to see the lake, and had a good fresh air, and that was quite nice. And then after that, I had to do some shopping as well actually. So I was just thinking, where to stop by on my way back. It's sort of more make it easier for me. So this actually, by the way, this was the car park. It's not free car park, but it's not too expensive either. So I've just I think I've paid £1.20 for an hour, which was quite good, because it's really neat and clean. They're really nice, picturesque. It doesn't feel like it's like in the middle of the residential estate. It just feels like it's somewhere else, somewhere in the country. And they had really nice sort of a fairy tale sort of walking tracks, and the trails and everything. It's beautiful though. And but after 6 o'clock, it's free parking as well. So if somebody wants to go there a bit late, they don't even have to pay there. When I was leaving, there were lots of cyclists which sort of got there after 6 o'clock. So, but it looked like they sort of planned to get there at that time of the day, and in that obviously it wouldn't cost them anything. And then I decided to stop by in Wing Yip, which is a Chinese supermarket, and you can see how Chinese it is. But for some reason, I just made my video vertically instead of horizontally. So I go there quite often as well. They do all sorts of nice Pan-Asian sort of stuff, literally everything. I mean, they even started to do, like you can even get samosas and parathas and things like that from there as well. But they got this new edition now, which is this bubble tea, which is very trendy, obviously, everywhere in the world now. Because when I went there, it was sort of newish. So I didn't try it, but maybe some point, because it was quite late, as I sort of already been everywhere, had a couple of coffees and a smoothie and everything. So I didn't think that I really needed it. Anyway, that was my day, and thank you very much for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye.